why I done that.
Yeah, that's fine. So I didn't see that. So until I speak to you, until I stop you, how can I find that out? Does that make sense?
Go on.
He's been pulled over again. Same streets, same reason, same silence. 30 stops in 1 year, yet every time he keeps it cool. But today feels different. Today the patience runs thin. Eyes steady, camera on, voice calm. He's done absorbing the pressure. This stop, it's more than routine. It's a statement, a challenge. You want answers? So does he. Let's rewind the badge and press play on the truth.
You see what I'm saying? I got pulled up 3 times yesterday, blood. What's the problem, officer?
Just your manner of driving.
Yeah, them guys were screwing me, that's why, yeah? You didn't see them other guys working on the road?
I didn't know.
Yeah, go and see them. Yeah, there's about 4 of them double parks on the road.
Oh, yeah?
And they're all bugging me out, that's why.
Oh, that's
yeah,
all.
yeah.
I just saw you like swerving it out, so I was just confused.
Yeah, go and see what they're doing. You understand? Smoking weed on the street and everything. You put me up. I got put up twice yesterday. Yeah, twice yesterday. Yeah, I got it all on video. I'm gonna appeal it. You understand?
Appeal what?
Yeah. Yesterday I got put up twice. You pulling me up today as well.
I'm telling you the reason why I'm pulling you.
Yeah, I'm telling you the reason why. What? Did I break the law or something?
Have I said anything to you about that?
Yeah. Did I have I broken the law?
I said your manner of driving. That's the reason.
Yeah, no, explain that to me.
So when I've seen you at the junction there, you swerved in and out.
Yeah, go on. Look, I'm going smoking weed, selling drugs on the corner. Go and say something to them.
You don't let me speak. You keep talking over me. So I'll explain the reason why I stopped you.
Then I'll explain the reason why I done that.
Yeah, that's fine. So I didn't see that. So until I speak to you, until I stop you, how can I find that out?
Yeah,
Does that make sense?
go and check on under your noses, man. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'll do that. I'm speaking to you for now, aren't I? That's the thing.
Are you finished?
That's all it is. Have you got your license on you, mate?
3rd time in 2 days, yeah? I pulled up 30 times last time. 30 times last time.
What's your manner of driving?
Last year, man.
That's the issue.
You keep your 2-meter distance as well, you know?
I'm doing my job, but that's
Yeah, but
Unless you want to join me on the pavement, I can't speak to you from here because I'm on the middle of the road.
You're breathing all over me, you're germs and everything.
Sorry?
Man. You're breathing all over me and everything.
But the
man.
issue is I'm stood in the middle of the road, I'm putting my safety at risk.
Step back a bit, innit?
I can't because I'm in the middle of the road. Unless you want to join me on the pavement, I'm happy to do that. Do you want to join on the pavement?
No, go and check them guys out, yeah?
Exactly.
You want to do something good, yeah? You understand?
I'm speaking to you about
taxpayers want them guys, yeah?
Have you got stammer or what?
Huh? I ain't got a stammer, man.
Okay. You just keep stuttering.
Yeah, I'm stuttering because you're upsetting me, that's why.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. It's just your manner of drive. That's the reason why I pulled you over today, okay? Just to
Do a
find out.
number plate check and see what happened
Just-
yesterday, yeah? You understand? With the
You
police.
keep speaking over me, it makes it very difficult, alright? So I pulled you over for your manner of driving, okay, to speak to you, find out what's going on. I didn't see what happened back there, so until I speak to you, I can't understand, can I? So I have to pull you over for that. That's all it was, okay?
No.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Is the vehicle yours, is it?
Yes, sir.
Insurance, tax, everything's
Yeah,
good?
everything.
Cool. Have you got any points in your licence at the minute?
Nothing.
How long you had your licence for?
Over 15, 20 years.
15, 20 years. Cool. Should we try and keep it on 0 points?
I've always had a clean
Sorry?
license. I've always had a clean license.
I'm saying, should we try and keep it that way instead of trying
ain't done
to...
nothing. You can't prove nothing. What? It ain't broken the law. It ain't be so. I wasn't speeding.
You don't just spit on me.
Yeah, that's what I'm just telling you. Like, you know, step back a bit, man. You know?
You spat on me.
I didn't spit on that. You know that was accident.
You did.
Yeah,
That's the thing. It's landed
yeah
on
but
there.
it's an accident. You're close to me. You
Don't
don't upset me,
apologise then
man.
if it's an accident. No, don't apologise then.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah.
No, apologies accepted. Yeah, manner of driving back there constitutes the offence of driving without reasonable consideration for the road user, okay?
Go and see the lot on the road.
I'm just making aware
yeah,
what
there's
the-
15 of them. The double park.
You
look
said
off
to
the
me that I
road.
haven't broken the law. I'm telling you
Yeah, and I'm telling you, look,
what
if
law.
you really want to do your job, yeah, go and do something.
I'm speaking to you for that.
worthwhile,
I can't do 2 things at once, can I? Okay? That's all it is. But let's try and keep it on 0 points. It doesn't affect your insurance, doesn't affect your licence. Do you work?
yeah. It's none of your business, yeah.
Okay.
This gentleman or the other driver. Was it
Have you-
yourself that got stopped yesterday by
Yesterday, twice I got pulled up, but we pulled up 30 times in the last year, yeah, you understand? 30 times. I only got 1 ticket for, they say my number plate sitting, which is legal. Go and check on Google it now, yeah? Under the Vehicle Registration Act.
Driving with a phone. Were you caught driving?
I wasn't driving with the phone, I was recording like I'm recording you. I put the phone down, they told me to go. Yeah, I basically go and they pulled me up again. And you understand? I'm gonna feel it.
No, just because obviously.
Yeah, and that was TSG, yeah, the blue bully van, yeah, you understand? They think they're clever, innit?
Yeah.
I got all on video, you understand? The little boys, the kids, man.
That's
You
fine.
understand?
Mate. That's fine. No, mate, we've just got to do our job.
Listen, there's guys all lurking in the corner. Go and see them, blocking off the road. Yeah, you understand? Let's see. Yeah?
Once I'm speaking to you, I'll go
They're
speak to
bugging
them.
me out, looking at me. So what? You think I'm scared of them? You think I'm scared of you? These guys got guns on them and shit, and you think I'm scared of you?
I don't really care if it's getting.
Yeah, you understand? Go and do something like worth.
What we are doing. This
Yeah.
is police work.
Exactly.
This is part of our job, fortunately. Okay.
But your attitude obviously changes the way the conversation goes.
Yeah, because
So
I don't like. But did you hear what I just said? I've been
If you're
bugged
polite-
over
if you-
30
if-
times.
If you're
Yeah?
polite and not and
Listen,
calm,
if I'm not
fine.
talking to no one and they're pulling me up 30 times, what's the politeness got to do with it?
I've never met you before.
No, I'm not talking to your colleagues. Yeah, the people you represent.
But that's don't represent anyone.
don't
You got your uniform on. You got your blues and twos flashing, come on, man.
Listen, if you have a bad experience at like, let's say pizza hall, you're not going to say the whole company's crap, are
Yes,
you?
I will, because they're
It's not, it's one person, it's one person. It is.
You understand?
In the job that you do, your job that you do, if someone thinks your bloke that works next to you's crap at his job, it doesn't mean you're crap at your job.
Yeah, that's that to me to fix him up and straighten him up and put him over and tell him, innit?
We've not been angry to you, we've not been aggressive to you, we're talking to you, we're explaining the situation, that's all. That's literally it. We're not being angry, are we? We're just talking
to you. I got a YouTube channel when every time police pull me up, I got it all over London, Brixton, Hornsey, Tottenham, yesterday City Road, Finger, Kingston Road. Yeah. You understand?
Mate, we've been civil the whole time, haven't we? You know what I mean? Hopefully we've tried to change your opinion on the police. Yeah. We're not like
but you're dilly-dallying about here. You should really sort out some. You understand? I've got drugs on them and everything.
We're dealing with that all day. But we're on the way back police station now, and then this happens. It's mate, shit happens. All right. All right, mate. You have a good day anyway. All right. Cheers, mate.
He didn't shout, he didn't resist. He spoke with facts, backed by experience. While the badge searched for fault, he stood with fire in his eyes and peace in his tone. 30 stops couldn't shake him, they shaped him. Here is another case. He just wanted to reach home. Pizza still warm, mind still calm. But before the first bite, blue lights wrapped around him. A traffic safety checkpoint, they said. License, they demanded. But here's the twist. Zero violation, zero cause. Just pressure, just power. He speaks with knowledge firm and clear. They swarm with backup, louder each minute. What begins as a routine stop becomes a silent fight for rights. Keep watching.
So this is a traffic safety checkpoint, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so if you could show me your license, you'll be good to go.
I'm not refusing to show my license, just I'm only required to show them during a traffic stop.
Well, this is a traffic stop, authorized traffic safety.
No. See, I haven't committed a traffic violation.
I didn't say that you did.
No, yeah, so that's the only way that you would get my ID. Yes, sir. I just want to go home and eat my pizza. I live right over there.
That's perfect. I'm trying to let you go. All you gotta do is show me your license is all.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that.
Why's that?
No, not if I've committed a traffic violation and you've already said that I haven't.
That's correct, yeah.
So I don't need to show one. I'm only required if I've committed a crime or if I've committed a traffic violation.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, what's your name?
No, and that's my. See, you're under oath to uphold my Fourth Amendment right to be secure in my person, places, and effects. That's my name. You don't need my name. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. How you doing?
We're not asking to hold your ID.
Yeah, no, did he explain it, what I said?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, sure. Are you a supervisor at all? Well, I mean, if you'd like to talk to a supervisor about it, it's exactly how it works. I don't answer any questions. Yes, sir. How about just letting me go down the road, man?
Okay, yeah, we just need to see your ID real quick.
No, not minus the violation. And I've already been told on camera there was no violation. Sure. Yeah.
Kentucky is a traffic safety checkpoint.
I know.
And it is entirely constitutional and there's no violation.
No, it's against the Constitution asking for my ID.
Okay, so it's not, okay?
Yes, no, it's against the Constitution asking for my ID.
Your insurance is flagging on the car too. Okay.
Got my insurance right here, but there's no reason to see it.
Got it?
There's no reason to see it.
Here's how it's going to work. You're either going to get out of the car, show us your license, or we're going to get you out.
You're not seeing my license minus a violation. Oh, please calm down, sir.
Get out of the car?
He didn't flinch, he didn't fold. Surrounded by voices and uniforms, he chose calm over chaos. They watched, waited, but couldn't shake his truth. In the end, they walked away, and he walked free. This moment wasn't loud, but it spoke volumes. In a world full of pressure, knowledge becomes your shield. Keep watching, keep learning, because power responds when you stand aware. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.